Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up a Kraken trading strategy in 2025. It's going to be a quick video, so let's get straight into it. The first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Kraken account. So go to Kraken's website and log into your account using your email address and your password. Next, you're going to navigate to the trading page by simply clicking on the trade tab. Now, once you're on the trade tab, you clicked on that, it's going to take you to the trading page where you can select the cryptocurrency pair that you wish to trade. So go ahead and select the cryptocurrency pair from the list of available pairs. And once that's done, you can choose the trading strategy, such as a trend following or mean reversion strategy. You can just go ahead with whatever strategy that you want to choose from the available options. And once your strategy has been chosen, you can set the strategy parameters, such as the trading amount as well as the risk management settings. And once all of that is done, you can backtest the strategy to evaluate its performance. And if it's all good to go, then enable the strategy to start trading. That's pretty much it on how to set up a Kraken trading strategy in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.